Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore 11 beginner-friendly passive income streams. Whether you're a full-time employee, a student, or a stay-at-home parent, these methods can work for you. So let's get started. First, let's define passive income. It's money you earn with little to no daily effort. Think of it as your assets work for you rather than trading your time for money. I'll share a few tips for each passive income stream, but be sure to watch to the end where I share a really fast-growing income stream that you won't want to miss. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth guides, including step-by-step tutorials on each of these passive income streams. So let's get started. Number 1, merch by Amazon. Once you apply and get accepted, you can create simple text-based designs. You can even do it from Canva. Amazon will do the printing and the shipping. I started Merch by Amazon in 2017 with zero design skills and zero desire to want to be a t-shirt shop. I spent the next 3 months at tier 10 learning just basic design skills. 7 years later, and these basic design skills have generated me thousands in passive income. Last year, my top selling shirt was a simple text-based shirt that sold thousands each month. Number 2 is digital downloads. Sell art, guides, workbooks, templates. Think platforms like Etsy and StanStore. The whole purpose is to create it once and to sell it indefinitely. Number 3, YouTube and TikTok. Dive into the world of content creation with reviews, tutorials, humor, faceless videos, parenting hacks, and cooking tips can be huge hits. Number 4, Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP. Use Bookable or Canva to design your ebook or book. Research ideas using Amazon bestseller and niche down for inspiration. Speaking of KDP, don't forget to watch my video where I walk you through the entire process of creating an ebook or a book using Canva for free. It's a goldmine for anyone that's just getting started. Number 5 is user-generated content, or UGC. Use platforms like Join Brands, Fiverr, or Upwork to create a profile and create content for brands. It's a really easy way to earn money passively. Number 6, surveys. Platforms like Swagbucks and Add a Poll pay for your opinions, and it's an easy, low-effort way to earn money. Number 7, stock photos or videos. Capture unique photos and videos, especially in niches like healthcare and education, but remember to consider privacy, and you can go and upload these videos and images online to sell them. Number 8, affiliate marketing. Create product reviews, post them on TikTok, Amazon, YouTube, or even your blog, and be sure to post a little affiliate link in there so that you can earn commissions. Number 9, course creation. Share your expertise by creating a course and post them on one of these platforms. Skillshare, Teachable, Coursera, or even Udemy. Number 10, setting up a TikTok shop. And this is the one that's growing massively. So TikTok isn't just for dance videos and trends, it's actually a really big booming marketplace with rumors that it's catching up to Amazon. You can set up a store and post about products. The key here is to post about the same product over and over and over again, so that way you increase the likelihood that this product could go viral. This can even be someone else's product listed on their TikTok shop. You request a free sample, then you'll post videos and receive affiliate commission for each sale they make. And number 11, start a blog. Blogging isn't just a way to share content, it's a way to monetize your expertise. Blogging towards passive income is particularly effective if you have a blog with a focused audience, i.e., build a community around your topic or your niche. And there you have it, 11 beginner-friendly passive income streams. Remember, the key to success with passive income is consistency, patience, and persistence, and a little bit of creativity. Be sure to check out my channel for a deeper dive into each of these topics. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or ideas, drop a comment down below. Until next time, keep exploring opportunities, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.